Hello everyone. Let's continue with the classification metrics. The next metric that we are going to learn is about recall. The precision and recall, they work together. Okay. So coming to the definition of recall, here you can see the formula. It is true positive by true positive plus false negative. And here also we will be working out with the same example. And if you see the definition, recall can also be called as sensitivity, or it can also be called as TPR, true positive rate. And this talks about ratio of positive instances that are correctly detected by the classifier. So only we are talking about positive instances, and out of the positive instances, how many were correctly classified? Okay. So precision earlier was talking about the total quality. So out of the samples, how many were correctly classified? Let it be positive, let it be negative. So in overall, how many were classified as positive? But recall is talking about only the positive instances. So in the above example, if we see, first let us calculate the recall for cat. Okay. So what are the total number of cats? 90 plus 100, sorry, 90 plus 10, it is 100, and true positive, which is 90. 90 were correctly classified. So 90 by 100, which is 90%. Similarly, recall of non-cats, it is 940 by 940 plus 60, which is 1000, which is 94%. Okay. So let's continue with the implementation. Okay. So here again from sklearn.metrics, you have to import recall score. And for this recall score, we will be passing y actual comma y prediction as parameters. And you can see it is 0.75. So how we have obtained this? So here you can see the total number of ones that we have are 4. Out of the 4 ones, how many were correctly classified? Only these 3 ones are correctly classified. Let me take the pen. Yeah. Out of the 4, only these 3 are correctly classified. So forget about the wrong prediction of zeros as ones and 1 as 0. So we are talking only about these ones. Okay. So precision is talking about quality of our model, whereas the recall is talking about how many ones were correctly classified. So okay, total 4 ones are there. Out of that, 3 were correctly classified. So we are getting a percentage of 0.75. And recall is always bounded between 0 to 1. And 1 gives us the best score. That means all are correctly classified. That means 100% accuracy. So that we will never achieve in any of the model. Okay, so that will be overfitting if you achieve also. So the value ranges between 0 to 1. Okay, so for this, I'm not moving on to the hands-on because it is a simple one. So all the hands-ons we'll see together at the end of this metrics session. So there simply you have to change this method to recall score. Okay, so that we will see later. That's it for this one. Thank you.